At the time of the recording, the default branch name on GitHub and in the wider Git community was master, and that's what we use throughout this video. GitHub's default branch name is now main, and aside from the name change, there are no other changes to the default branch. In this video, we're going to talk about how the Explorer changes when you change between branches in Git. And the idea behind a Git branch is that it is an independent line of development, that there are a series of commits, which can be code changes and or file additions, deletions, etc., associated with that branch name. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is that by changing branches, the files in the Explorer and the code in the files will change. So on the left, I have the Explorer, and on the right, I have my index.html code. And what I'm going to do is right click on this file and open up the terminal. And as you can see in the terminal, I'm in the master branch. So in this project, I have another branch called script. And the name doesn't matter. What really matters here is that when I check out into script, that you will see how the code changes in real time and the files in the Explorer. While I type out the command, make sure you pay attention to the upper half of the screen. So I type git checkout and the branch name, which in this case is script. And you can see if I scroll a little bit that the code's changed. It is different. And now I'm going to move to Explorer. Let's take a look at what happened over here. And if you look over here, there's now a script.js file that didn't exist before. And why is this important? Well, when working in groups, through the use of branches, everybody involved has their own independent line of code that they get to work on. So what happens if I go back to the master branch? Well, since I haven't merged these two branches together, I go back to how things were before. There's no script.js file, and my code has reverted to what it was originally as shown in the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.